Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an image to be round like this in Google Slides. So how do you turn a square or rectangular image into something that has a perfect circle? Well, here's how I'm doing it. First, you have to upload the image. It doesn't matter the dimension that you have for the image because we can crop it later. For this example, I have this rectangular image, and before we can turn it into a circle, we have to turn this rectangular image to be a perfect square, meaning that we have to crop some part of the image. So what I need to do is I'm going to open the shape menu, click shapes and click rectangle, and press and hold the shift key on the keyboard, and then you can start click and drawing the square on top of this image. It's going to be perfect square because we just press the shift key, and after that let's move it around. I'm going to make sure it's going to be a perfect square. Press and hold the shift key if you want to resize this shape, and there you go. Now let's click on the image and click crop image. After that, let's crop this area because we don't need that. Thanks to this shape, now we have a guide to where to stop the cropping area. After that, click anywhere on the screen, and the shape, the image will be cropped. Now right click on the shape and click delete. Now we have this perfect square for the image. Let's move it in the middle. And to apply the masking for the image to make it round, click on the image like this. Next to the crop image menu, there is a tiny menu called mask image. Click on it, go to shapes and select oval, and there you go. Now we have this perfect circle image in Google Slides, and that's how you can get that in this program. I hope you find this video helpful.